dot done by Sifa Nirora. As an overview, what is globalization? What is the importance of globalization? How travel has affected the patterns of spread of disease, HIV, and diabetes? How international trade have affected the patterns of the spread of disease, HIV, and diabetes? How worldwide communication have affected the patterns of spread of HIV and diabetes? How globalization has changed the method needed to control disease. What is globalization? Globalization is the process of interaction and integration between people, organizations, and government worldwide. Again, globalization is the free movement of people, goods, and services across borders, bounding. Importance of globalization. It helps people to build connection between them. It helps people to move and communicate easily with others all over the world in order to conduct business internationally. It increases the exchange of goods, services, information, knowledge, and culture between different countries. It helps the country to be developed in terms of economy. It expands international culture interchange. How travel have affected partners of the spread of disease HIV spread through sexual contacts with people from different countries. One person who is contaminated can increase the spread of HIV. For example, men who are contaminated can travel in other countries and they can make sex with women who are not contaminated. This can increase the spread of disease. By copying different culture, for example, you can travel in an area where people have the culture of making sex and you can imitate their character. Therefore, you can be contaminated with the disease. Traveling in an area where disease is ongoing. How travel have affected the patterns of the spread of diabetes. People can traveling in country where he or she is not aware. By eating food and drinking beers which contain much sugar, this can lead to diabetes. By expanding international movement all over the world, by expanding transborder and the transcontinental movement of people. How international trade have affected the patterns of the spread of HIV and diabetes. HIV by mobilizing people about how they can use contraceptive. This this makes the spread of disease because people may do so by thinking that they cannot be contaminated because they usually use those contraceptives. Teaching different ways to prevent the disease, these can help partners like traders to spread the HIV diabetes by eating food which contain much sugar without considering their effect. How worldwide communication have affected the partners of the spread of HIV and diabetes. HIV by mobilizing people about how they can use contraceptives, teaching different ways to prevent disease. Diabetes by providing more information about the role of eating different types of food, mobilizing people about the impact of not eating a healthy diet, mobilizing people about the impact of eating different types of food without considering their effect. How globalization has changed the method needed to control disease. By considering global health regulation to the donors, healthcare companies can be allowed to buy drugs in foreign countries. Modern technology allows people to move around the globe to buy medicine in foreign countries. This is data and statistic of HIV. This is the reference.